there is happiness and discord in our words. A fundamental topic in life is the art of communicating effectively. The way we use our words and express our thoughts can significantly influence our relationships and the environment around us. Communication, at its core, is a powerful tool that can be used to build bridges of understanding and harmony or, on the other hand, to sow discord and misunderstanding. In this exploration, we will address the importance of wise and compassionate communication, focusing on how our words and tone of voice can be vehicles of happiness, peace, and respect, thus transforming our daily interactions and contributing to collective well-being. Stay until the end of the video, so you know this wisdom. Subscribe to the page, if you are not already subscribed, so you can access all the contents of the page. Happiness and discord are woven into the fabric of our everyday words. When one finds oneself in the midst of challenges and difficulties, it is crucial to remember that anger is not the path to inner peace. Adopt a soft, gentle tone of voice. Here lies true wisdom. Those with tranquility in their hearts do not complain or become exalted. Secure souls do not succumb to bad behavior, stress, or anger. Even the faintest whispers can convey a clear message. The pride in your words casts confusion and fear into the hearts of those around you. Arrogance sows discord, hatred, and bitterness. When someone offends you, your response should not fan the fire or release the poison in your heart. Calm is your ally, and your silence can ignite the transmuting flame that attracts harmony, peace, and serenity. He speaks wisely, in a melodic and soft tone. Express your thoughts with understanding and gentleness. With every word, dispel discord and replace it with happiness. Even if the arrogant get upset, your inner peace will penetrate the most stubborn hearts in the world. When people find harmony and serenity, their hearts find peace. A simple act of kindness can release the hidden riches in our hearts. Sometimes, nothing needs to be said. Your silence can be an instrument to disarm the haughtiness and immaturity that often emanate from our words. Don't spread fear or confusion with aggressive words. Remember that by using your words as weapons, you hurt yourself. Instead, speak with the wisdom of life, expressing your thoughts like a song or a philosophy. Do not harm others with your words, otherwise, you will be infected with the insecurity that someone else carries with them. Remember that we reap what we sow. Instead of getting angry in difficult situations, be a word hero. Learn to express yourself with respect towards others, because life is ephemeral. Our responsibility is to live it in peace, love, harmony, and happiness, paving the way towards universal peace. In a general context, the relevance of wise and compassionate communication in our lives. It shows us how our words and tone of voice can influence our relationships and our environment. Effective communication can create harmony and understanding, while negative communication can create discord and misunderstanding. In summary, this wisdom emphasizes the importance of using our words to transmit happiness, peace, and respect, which contributes to personal and collective well-being.
Share this message with your friends and family. Remember that life is too short to waste it on hatred, discord, or disputes. These only darken our soul and weaken our conscience. Instead, cultivate caution in your expressions and teach others the true meaning of respect. Pursue your dreams and live each day to the fullest, enjoying every moment with your loved ones as if it were the last day of your life. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share and leave a like. I send you infinite blessings and abundance on your spiritual path.